Hello. Thank you for your interest in this short video lecture on the Product Life Extension business model. We have produced this short video because we believe that the circular economy is here to change the world and that businesses are one of the key actors that could make it happen. But even the greatest change must start somewhere. So, where do we start? How do we make sure that our company is helping save natural resources and reduce waste? Product life extension is one of the most efficient ways to go green and sustainable. The product life extension business model focuses on lengthening the period during which a product can be used before disposing of it. The main goal is to maximize both lifespan and utilization by increasing the value extracted from products before they are discarded. There are various approaches to prolong an item's lifespan. One of them is to repair devices that are damaged or not functioning properly to bring them back into good condition or make them work again. This helps preserve expensive assets, identify improvement points for future products, and expand the set of services companies provide to their customers. Another option is to reuse products and trade with second-hand items, which provides an opportunity to scale up your market positions by getting on different trade platforms. Further, remanufacturing is another approach to achieve product life extension. It is defined as the rebuilding of a product to match the specifications of the original manufactured product using a combination of reused, repaired, and new parts. The substantial difference from repair and refurbishment is that the remanufactured device has the status and capacity of a new one, including in terms of warranty. Remanufacturing could help you provide your customers with devices that are significantly less expensive than newly produced and could help you retain customers who return their used products to get remanufactured ones. Upcycling is an inventive way to prolong a product's lifespan. It is essentially the process of transforming waste, useless or unwanted products into new materials or products perceived to be of greater quality, such as artistic or environmental value. For instance, upcycling could help you use reclaimed wood or waste glass to manufacture furniture or bottles. By using different products for as long as possible, companies help preserve natural resources, reduce waste, and limit energy consumption and carbon emissions generated from the manufacturing of new products. It is also economically viable since it helps attract and retain customers, reduce expenses, and increase revenue. With this in mind, why not spend some time now and think of how you could introduce or apply this business model to your own company? Thank you for watching this video. To conclude, let us say that we believe that the product life extension business model presents a great opportunity to make your business green and sustainable. But the EcoScent project has profiled for other circular business models, so if this one doesn't suit your business, check out one of the other short videos in the video library on the EcoScent MOOC.